Let's go, bro. See you later. Cool, just chilling. Oh yeah, get the air flowing. Earplugs are working.
You can hear us fine still?
Yeah, I can hear you guys actually better because there's no fucking wind.
Yeah, I had a little trouble earlier. I had the volume to the max.
Yeah, I had my volume to the max too, and but the music's kind of lower, but whatever, it's better than nothing.
You know, it's the next street. There's 2 streets back to back, and then we make a right.
Cool.
Hill first. Yeah, I'm gonna try the earplug. What I'm thinking of. Yeah, just to communicate alone. Nice.
'Cause yeah, I can barely hear my exhaust. In 2008, I used to work here on, I don't know, 2000 something. I think it's 2008. Right here, Hillhurst Mortgage to the right, right here to the right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right there. It used to be a different escrow place. I used to work here as a temp. Yeah, and at the corner here, there's an awesome liquor store right here. Cap and Cork. Yeah. And then there was a fish taco place. Forgot where it was.
Yeah, there's a lot of good spots up here too.
Yeah, Home.
Yeah, this is bad. I think it's good. There's some good breakfast places up here for sure. Home makes stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make lift here. It'd be a dead stop.
Oh yeah, well it's over 10 years now. when yeah, this was a long time.
Yeah, that's right right there. And oh no, speed twin. Speed twin. It's got the dual front. I think that's yeah. Oh my god. It's a potential engine. Oh shit. It's probably lighter. It's got different ergonomics, different brakes. There we go. Yeah, at the end I was gonna make a left to go up the backside. And it's a nice open street. I forgot to snap my sleeve, but I fixed it. Yeah, roll, baby.
Hey, they have the pants with the crotch zippers, bro, and like zippers at your knees so that you know you can have the air come in and fucking cool your balls off. Sorry, I'm gonna blow this shit. Wanna catch me? Good luck! Is it the light? Let us know so we could figure it out. I'm a little further than you guys. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So let me know when we're going.
Are you at this red light?
Yeah, I'm right behind this car, behind you guys.
Okay, cool. Next stoplight is the right.
Cool. Yeah, don't be an asshole.
You're the one who gets audible people now.
For real. it's a Yamaha technology. It's called Crossplane. It's their own shit. Some shit, I don't know. Yeah. I was just like, Crossplane, cool. Is it fast? Cool.
You go 50,000 miles before you shoot up. Basically.
Seriously. Just hung off the bike. I took allergy medicine before we rode this morning. Yep. Still early as fuck. That's good. That's crazy view on the right.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I'm gonna look at some tires though. If this swap out what you recommend, I'm curious. A lot of people are saying it's a different, like, different bike or different, you know, everything. It does. This is the perfect sound. I love how it sounds, but it's not gonna scream as much, you know. But, I did see a train horn. On the right.
Oh yeah, that's insane.
Yeah, no, it's a big version of a train horn. Excuse me. Maybe we'll go left. Yeah, the bunch is past it. But it's up to you. We can pass through if you want.
Whatever.
I think it's up to you. Let's go, wait. It's up to you if you want to stop. We can stop. Or we keep riding.
Whatever.
So that on your left was, that's what the vortex part was. Anybody want to stop? It's up to you guys. What?
Down for whatever.
Okay, yeah. Actually, you know what, there's some room here. I don't think it'd be rude. Little... Something next just behind it. Can you go here, Ronald? Does it? Watch. When you play this back, you can hear it. Sounds like a big beat.
Till they cut off all these cars just to catch up to you guys. And then this fucker was trying to go on this fucking side from this lane.
Yeah, it's funny. It opens way up here. Oh, man, that's wrong. Whoa, don't do that. That's not very nice. Are you back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first thing I thought when I got here is like, people look for spots. Come right across, and even if you're in a extra long distance lane, whatever.
Z baby.
Want to go back down the same way?
I don't know, man. All the same to me.
Is there like a different route? There's a short route, but yeah, the other way we can try the downhill and see. That's the longer. I like longer. Yeah, this is the longer, for sure. And there's a tunnel. Oh, you're dead, dude. It's here, man. Where is it?
I'm here. I'm coming. I'm behind a bunch of cars.
There you are.
Release the hounds. Oh yeah, I can imagine that's all the smog and smoke still. Yep.
Yeah, that's some like world record breaking shit on the Strava app here. That's the fastest.
Yeah, just watch for him.
Yeah.
Watch for him on your left.
You're lucky we're not on a run, motherfucker. That's all.
Could find a place to park in the shade.
Right here, yeah, there's a spot here on the right.
Cool, yeah. Let's chill for a second and figure out what's up.